Right, so today we're looking at the K18 Professional Molecular Repair Hair Mist. If you've been around a while, you know a while ago I reviewed their Professional Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Unlike the mask, this does not come in different sizes. I paid £69.75 for this bottle, so I am mildly terrified. So, that's not... No, I mean they're tooth lightening strips, but you're not chewing them. So, I got it on Beauty Bay. I was really excited sitting down to use it tonight, and now I'm terrified, right? Bear with me. So I looked at the instructions on the bottle, right? And they're kind of vague. Before all professional services, mist hair with water, then apply a generous amount of K18 mist to hair section by section, let it sit for 4 minutes to activate, do not rinse out, dry hair and process as normal, shampoo do not condition, towel dry thoroughly, and continue treatment with K18 Pro Mask. So, this is for professional use, not home use. I hope there was better instructions inside, but the instruction leaflet inside was for the mask. So I went on the website and it's genuinely in the salon professional section, not the at-home one. Right, sorry, Flynn managed to retrieve those teeth whitening strips. He's adamant he wants white teeth, so I'll remember that and we'll brush your teeth more. So, scary times. What I'm going to do is, we've already reviewed the mask and I love it. So what I really want to see is whether this can add to it. So we're going to use this on half my hair and not on the other half. So that I've got something that I can compare. That was not a hair tie. Because, you know, it's expensive. And if it's expensive and you're as well as buying one of them, buy one of them. Weirdly, in the how to use bit on the website, it went into that whole use it 4 to 6 times in a row or something like, no, use it like 5 times in a row and then every 4 to 6 washes to maintain. But if it's a salon only one, that doesn't make sense to me, so that was the instructions for the mask, which they do sell as an at-home type product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mist my hair. I have the weirdest mister bottle. This is actually for ironing, so you can pour to fill your iron or mist the ironing board so that you can steam. And I actually prefer the spray bottles, but we're going to have to deal with this. Ooh, hit myself in the face. Okay, so this is going to turn into a beauty night. I'm still putting on that Aldi mask. The Aldi mask with the using almost £140 worth of hair products. I rebought the mask as well, obviously, because I'd ran out because I loved it so much. There's now a gianter size of it on Beauty Bay, by the way, which works out way better value for money. I think it was something like £54 for the 50ml version, or £69, so £15 more for a £150 version, 150ml version, sorry. So you're getting 3 times the product for £15 more. So I kind of had to do that one. Okay, so I meant to section this, applying 2 to 6 sprays per section, work into the hair. Right. I'm so nervous, it's stupid. Okay. Let's call you like a, I don't know, free mist section. It's a very fine mister. And genuinely there was a lot of product not on my hair there, so I feel like it would be quite easy to lose a lot of this to just squishing off into the air. Flynn's wandering around under me, so he's going to have all his hair repaired as well. Eh? I don't like testing on animal products. Do you know this? Okay. That was a big section, I've got an extra one. Okay. You were in that bit. I should have started from the back. This would have been so much easier. Well, this is where we are now. The last bit I can work in 3 sections. So that's fine. This is like the least exciting bit of the footage you guys have watched. It does smell amazing. Can't remember if it smells like the mask, but I will investigate once I'm putting the mask on. I will come back to the camera for that because we're going to test whether this side brushes through easier after the shower or not. Okay, no, that's quite a chunk. Let's top and bottom it. And the last bit. Okay, so obviously it's a spray, it's super easy to apply. So I'm going to leave it for a bit, put my mask on, and going. I don't even think this is going to need dried, to be perfectly honest with you. So yeah, I'm just going to sit around, do my mask, hop in the shower, and I'll be back. Right, I was just about to put my mask on, hence hairband, and I realised I forgot to show you up close what the ends of my hair are like, so that we can see the improvement. Luckily I've still got the unsprayed side, so we're going to use it for comparison. So it's okay. They're looking a little bit straggly. It's still falling, which is quite nice. So yeah, we'll see how it looks. I'm going to feel it a bit more at the end compared to up my hair. So yeah, we'll see what we're left with. Right, I'm back. I'm clean. You'll be relieved to know. So I'm just going to, before I apply the mask, I'm just going to see how easy each side of my hair is to brush through. It's not too bad. If anybody cares, I'm using the Tresemme Colour Protect shampoo. This is just one of those like really soft, tangly, wet brushes. Maybe a tiny bit easier. Don't really know though. It's not meant to do any detangling, so I was just curious. So now I've got to get this kind of rough dried so that I can put the mask in. So yeah, again, I'll be right back. Right, so my hair is a bit drier now, so we can get ahead doing the mask, and then I'm still going to put in heat protectant because I just always do. I mean, it does say, you know, about process as usual, so that's my process. So don't remember the smaller ones having that. So it says start with one pump with this one. It's not going to go far in my hair, right? So I'm just going to go straight in with two. And I was quite slapdash of applying this. I just like it going up between my hands and started combing it through my hair. Same lovely scent. Oh my god, can they bring out like everything in this scent? Not just hair stuff. I'll have a body butter of this. I mean, man, if they applied this technology to skin, how good would it be? My skin would be so soft. Oh. Right, anyway. So then, any kind of left over from my hands, I try and work more into the ends. Let's get another pump in a bit. This side. So yeah, so then this has to sit for a couple of minutes, and then I go and dry my hair, and then we come back and we'll see if there's really any difference between the side that got sprayed and the side that did not get sprayed. So it does say to use it from ends to roots. I don't really want this up in my roots because I'm an oily skinned person. Your scalp is skin, and I just don't need it up there. So yeah, I'm gonna chill out for a little minute or two, or four, as per instructions. Dry it. I'll be right back. Right, I'm back with dry hair. So time for the side by side. So just to remember, this is the side with the spray and the mask in it. So basically, £139.50 worth of products. This is the side with the mask of £69.75. So this is a scarily expensive video. Anyway, so drying my hair, I didn't really notice any difference. So the mask we've used before and I loved it. I was just sad about the price. Obviously this size brings the price down a little bit, which makes me happy. In fact, on Beauty Bee I can get vouchers and stuff and cashback and all the rest. Anyway, so this side feels lovely and smooth and soft, which I knew it would. Right, and then we've got this side. Does it feel any different? It almost feels lighter, which is weird. Maybe I just didn't dry this side as thoroughly. Okay, so no, I'm really not noticing much of a difference at all. My fingers are going through it just the same. It maybe looks a tiny bit smoother. Tiny bit. But then if you wanted it to be smooth, you can straighten it. Let's have a look at how the ends of it are kind of looking. So I'll get a tuft from here, a tuft from there. Kind of do a side by side. They look the same, guys. I mean, so this is the sprayed side. This is the non-sprayed side. Maybe if I had a microscope, I'd be able to see a difference. But yeah, honestly, I kind of feel like I didn't dry this side just as good as this one. Possibly there's something going on in my hair that I can't detect. But for me personally, oh actually, hang on. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit smoother. Now that I've brushed it through again, I'm feeling it. It's definitely a little bit smoother. Would I want to spend that much money on it? I think there's plenty of products that can give you a smooth feeling to your hair. It's just so expensive. I think the mask done the majority of the work. This added a little bit of smoothing. There's plenty of other things that can do that. I would say go for the mask. Don't really worry about that unless you're absolutely rolling in it or your hair's so super damaged that you're rebuilding from scratch. But bear in mind, if you look back at my videos, I've got dark brown hair. Check the eyebrows. It is bleached enough to let it go this bright purple. So, you know, it's got a reasonable amount of damage and the ends look pretty much the same. In fact, to the naked eye, sorry, the ends do look the same. The only difference is this feels a little bit smoother. I could put like a styling product through this and it would feel the exact same. So I'm going to say this guy, probably not worth it. I hate saying that when it's expensive products, which is really stupid. They're the ones that I should be more forward about saying aren't worth it to look after you guys. But anyway, if you've got any questions below other than describe the scent, because I cannot describe scents, I'm useless. Any other questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. If you are going to buy this on Beauty Bee or Cult Beauty, although Beauty Bee seems to be the only one with the giant size for the mask, which works out better value for money. You can get cash back through the website I use. I'll leave a referral link down below. It would really help me out if you used it, since I just spent almost £140 on one video. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend lined up and I will see you in the next one. Bye.